I was really nervous going into this. I have never had a job like this before, never had an internship or done any kind of real-world engineering work, at least outside of school. I went into this internship really wanting clarity, and I told my interviewers, Dylan and George, that that's what I wanted, and some help to see if this is what I could see myself doing forever. And I've really enjoyed the consulting aspect and getting to see how other Wichita State graduates, how they've used their degree here at PEC. And so it's been really eye-opening and helpful in making that decision and building that confidence. I was just really grateful for the help and guidance that they've provided because it's given me a lot of confidence in my ability to continue on after this summer. My name is Karaline Scott. I will be going into my sophomore year at WSU, and I'm an electrical engineering major. I'm from Goddard, Kansas, so just outside of Wichita. Wichita State had a lot of really great opportunities for me when I was looking for different colleges. I was really inspired by the applied learning opportunities as well as the availability of the scholarships that WSU offered. I got to come onto campus and compete in a couple different scholarship competitions during my senior year, where I got to interact with some amazing faculty and staff and really get to see what campus would be like, and I truly fell in love. WSU awarded me some great scholarships as well, which made the financial burden of attending a lot easier, but I truly feel like Wichita State made me feel at home on campus. It didn't really matter how close I was to home. I still felt like I had the college experience.
We use WSU as a good base for internships. It's here local to us. We're able to internship a lot of students while they're going to school if their schedule allows, gain that real-world experience and see how their classwork applies.
This internship has been really, really cool. I got to have a lot of hands-on experience what working as an engineer in the consulting field would be like in the real world. I've gotten to use a lot of software and programs and work with a lot of electrical equipment that I had never heard of or never used before. I'm still very early in my degree. I switched my major to electrical engineering in the spring of my freshman year. So getting to see the math and the science that I've experienced already really applied in the field has been really, really awesome. I also know that the things that I'm learning currently will help kind of propel me through my degree. I've also gotten to talk a lot with my fellow engineers on our team as well as outside of our team. I'm really excited to see how this experience helps me to apply the knowledge I learn in my next couple of years in my degree, as well as how it makes comprehending the new material easier as well.